Hey everybody, this is your girl Savvy Sab and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to an episode of Couponing with Savvy Sab, where today we're here at Walgreens, excited to get some free Arm & Hammer and possibly some free Dove. Let's go inside. So today is Thursday, so our inventory is going to be slim to none. So hopefully there's something for us to choose from and grab some good deals. First up, we have our Dove body wash. They're priced at $7, and when we pick up two, we'll get a $4 register reward. We have a $7 off coupon, which makes us to pay $7, and we'll get back $4, leaving it to total $3 or $1.50 per bottle, and then we can submit to fetch. The next deal I want to do is going to be that of the Dove deodorant, spray deodorant. It's priced at $9.79 and half off of the second one, which is $4.89, which is $14.68, and we have a $4 off coupon. And so that'll drop it down to $10.68. Then it will have $6.68, and we'll get back that $4 after we get back that $4, leaving it to be $3.24 per can, and then we're going to submit that as well to fetch. That'll bring it all the way down to $2.54 per can. That is awesome, guys. For this Dove, yes. And I tried to do the shop kick, but it didn't work for me. Next, we have Done at $1.24. When we pick up two, we'll get $1 in register rewards back. Here are my two. We're going to pay $2.48 at the register, and we'll get back $1, leaving it to be $1.48. Okay, next we have some Arm & Hammer, and with those register rewards and those cash rewards, we're gonna pick up one for $7.64, and then we'll get two free. Let's look at the receipts. So here we are. We have that Dove for $9.79, and as you can see, the $4.89, and then we had two bottles of the body wash, priced at $7. Everything came off just like we wanted it. All right, and here you have those two coupons, the $4 and the $7 Unilever coupons come off, leaving me with a subtotal of $20.16. And then we got back that Walgreens cash, and then we started with 61 cents, and as you can see, we were at the end with $11.92. And that's what we're going to use, guys, to pay for that Arm & Hammer that I was talking about. So let's look at that receipt as well. So here we have the Arm & Hammer for $7.49. Thank you. And two bottles were free. And we also bought some Downy just because I needed it. And we had a 50% off coupon for that. The total was $10.48. I used $10 in rewards. Redeemed that. And I only paid what? $1.34. So I would say all in all, it was a great trip. Small haul, but great savings. And this is a summary of everything that we picked up today at Walgreens. Unfortunately, the things were slim. But I thank you for watching, guys. Bye.